Hi everyone, welcome to NDVA educational YouTube channel. Today our Python program was swap case. In this program, we simply convert the small case letters to capital letters. Like here, provided an example. Here, www.hackerrank.com is there. This string converted to here first character capital W, this character converts to small w, like that. If it is present in the input present in the small letters, we need to convert our output as capital letters. If it is capital letters, we need to convert as small letter. In this way we can swap the alphabetical case, small case to capital case, like that. So for that I will write the code and explain how to write this code for this logic. Here already provided this code. They use function concept to execute this program. Here, as I already mentioned, if we are written our output, then we need to print our function like this. If you are printing our output, we don't need to print our function like this. So this is the basic step we need to remember in function, because a lot of members confusing why some programs only use print statement to print the function, why some programs not using print statement to print function in the function concept. Because if we are written our output, at the time only we need to print our function, whatever we are defining the function name, that function name we are printing here. Instead of printing all this, I will assign this in this result variable. So in this result variable I am printing, instead of result variable we can directly print this function name also. Here simply they assign to this variable will be printed. And here when according to the code, if you are using here print statement to print our output, at that time we don't need to print our function. So this is the simple thing we need to remember. And for this program requirement I develop code. Generally we write our code in the function below line. Here I will take one variable to store my code. I will take a as variable, a equal to, here this input, this is the input. If you can go down in sample input and sample output, here clearly mentions in the sample input we need to take, right? So here already provided input, this is the input for this program, s. So s dot swap case of, this is one inbuilt function. Please remember, if you want to swap small letter alphabets to capital letter alphabets, we need to use this function. At the same time, capital letter alphabets to small letter alphabets, we need to use swap case function. And we can simply return in this variable only, right? Output value storing, so we can return this variable a. So I will return that variable. I will try to run this code whether it is executed or not. So here all the test cases are executed. I will again explain simply how the code was written here. Here first they take one input as mentioned in the program requirement. And why this line is not required, we can directly print this function in the print statement. Instead of printing this long lengthy function, they stored in the result variable, this variable they printed. We can do as per our convenient. If you print this result variable or this function, no problem. And here we are our code was developed here. So a equal to a means this is the variable. In this variable my output result storing s dot swap case. This means S means input, right? This input I did swap case. So this swap case function works like this small capital letters convert to small letter converts to capital letters. Here capital H, small a, capital A. Like this swap case function working, and simply I return the output variable here. In this way I did develop the code. If any why I am explaining multiple times, because this is the important program. Not every program is important, so every program has own learnings are present. So please keep understand every step, so that we can able to do next program coming programs also easily. If any doubts, please ping in the comment section. Thank you for support, and thank you on.